In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a scale bar on an image using the freely available software called ImageJ from the NIH. ImageJ can be downloaded from this website, and you would download it here. You can download it for whatever platform of a computer you have. To use ImageJ, we need to have an image that will open up, and we need to open that image within ImageJ. So that's File, Open, and then select the image that you'd like to open. So here it is. The first thing I want to do with this image is I need to set the scale, and luckily this image here comes with the scale bar. So how do we set the scale? We set the scale by selecting this straight line tool here. It is the fifth button from the left. Select it. And then I'm going to want to draw a line across the scale bar. I can draw that line by holding down the left mouse button and dragging the line across the image. I want this line to be straight, so one trick I can do is hold down the Shift button while I drag, and that will make the line straight. Release the buttons, and I have this yellow line here marking the distance of 100 microns. We now go into the ImageJ here, and I want to tell it that the distance of that line is equal to 100 microns. So I go to Analyze, Set Scale, and it brings up this Set Scale dialog box. I can see here that the distance of the line that I just drew is 304 pixels. But I know from my picture that those 304 pixels were equal to 100 microns. So I put 100 in the known distance, and in the unit length box I put microns, and I click OK. I have now set the scale for this particular image. Let's test it out by taking a measure. So to take the measure for these cases in our class, we're still going to use this straight line tool here. And let's try to just measure half of the scale bar. I do it in exactly the same manner. Click and draw my line. Let's make it a straight line by holding down Shift. And let's go here. Say that looks like about half to me. Let's see how close we got. So to record that measure, I have two ways. I can press Control-M, or I can come back up to my image here, Analyze, Measure. That will bring up this box here. And what I'm looking for is this data right here in the length column. So this tells me that ImageJ measured that line that I just drew as 53.5 microns. So just a little bit over half.